truth she reckons she holds. Only the truth she reckons she holds. The way she walks is scripted and taught. Don't give her an eye, she'll snipe at your mind. See by her hands that she's been there before. She lifts up her glass as if to bring down a mass. Only the truth.
Come on, miracle liner, go and get 'em, tiger. Get down on your knees, get down on your knees again. 50 feet tall and revved up too high. All of our exchanges are by candlelight. I just realized you walk through the walls and creep up behind. Make sense of the maze that you were stuck outside. Cover your eyes. Often the humble kind, but he can't deny he was born to blow your mind, or something along those lines. Tonight, tell him what you want and baby he can find you anything you need. Tell him what you need. Come on,
She's playful, but boring, would warn you be careful of her brigade in order to tame this relentless marauder. Move away from the parade. She was walking on the tables in the glass house, endearingly bedraggled in the wind, subtle in a method of seduction. 20 little tragedies begin. And she would throw a feather boa in the road if she thought that it would set the scene. Unfittingly dipped into your companions, enlightenment to make you see. And there's affection to rent, the age of the understatement, before the attraction ferments. Kiss me properly and pull me apart. Affection to rent, the age of the understatement, before this attraction ferments. Kiss me properly and pull me apart.